Hey everyone, hope you are doing great and welcome back to my channel where I share or explore the exciting world of web design and help to creating a standing website. Today's video I will be focusing on beautiful and powerful tool called Elementor Pro, and specifically I will dive into design the about section using Elementor. So you are ready to take your website to the next level. So let's get started with the video. Okay, this is the about section that we will be designing today. Actually, follow web enthusiasts. Are you looking to add touch of personality and professionalism to your website? Well, look no further, because Elementor has got you covered today. If you don't have Elementor, first of all, we have to install. At first, you have to log in your WordPress backend. This is my WordPress backend, and now I will go to plugin and go to add new or install plugin. If I click add new, and here you will type the Elementor. So I have already installed the Elementor. So you just click the install now button and then click activate, and it will install to your website. Now let's jump to the page, and you have to create a page. Here is my all page I have created for e-commerce website. This practice for my e-commerce purpose I have created for e-commerce website design. Here you are. And so today's I will cover the about section like this. So just click add new, and I will click add. So don't worry, step by step I will design the about section. This is the page title, and here even type about and click publish. Also click publish, and then click the edit with Elementor. All right. At first, at first you have to remove this bar, or at this right side bar. Okay, so in order to do it, you just click the settings icon and click the page layout. Page layout will be full width. So if I explore the full term of a specific this one, it's called, if I click this again, page layout. If I click default, it will be default, and it will again show the right sidebar. And if I click the Elementor canvas, if you click the Elementor canvas, you don't see any article, any content over here and also over here. And if I click the Elementor full width, we just see header and footer, but in body part we couldn't see anything. Okay, and theme, it's come from theme and home page template. If you have a home page template, you can just import to this specific this particular page. Okay, full width page is the like full width. So this is not a full width. If here we have some chance, we can make full width or we can make box. Okay, so this is the right practice using this option. Okay, so we just click Elementor full width and click update. It will update it. And now I will click this plus icon, and first of all, here we can see this is the two column structure of this about section. So here is the one section, here is the one section. We just take two column. This is the structure of two column. I will take this one, and now we can make it full width. Like if I click this Rubik's cube icon and go to content width, will be full width. We can see this is the left column and it's the right column. Okay, so if you wanna increase or decrease your column size, you just click this middle of this bar and drag left side or drag right side. Here is the point of this here, or here is the percentage of this column is 45%, and here is the 53%, as you wish, whatever you want. Okay, now let's take some image. Let's take this is the one image. I will download this image, and already downloaded. Okay, I will select the path. Okay, now I will upload an image. I will use this image bar and I will upload that image. Recently I have it, I've downloaded, and click this image, also select it. So this is the image. So if possible, it's not, we can see this is not a PNG image, sorry for that. So if I download it again as a PNG, no, sorry, this is the actual JPG image, actual not like JPG, it's a background format image. So leave it, and I will just show you just the design. Okay, so you have to make sure there will be a PNG background removal image. Okay, so now I will take a title will be heading. Okay, now I will drag and drop it over here, and here I will paste the article or this text, and the color will be black, and the typography I will change it. The font family I will use it Poppins. This is the very most popular font, and I will paste it over here, this font. And if you want to increase the font size, you can do. I will leave it 40%, 40 pixel. And now I will copy this whole paragraph content, and similarly I will paste it using the text editor. Okay, I will leave it, I will drag and drop it the text editor and paste it over here, all our content. Now here's the most tricky part, is the only E is the very larger, and also all content are smaller. How could it how I make this kind of stuff? Like, just go to text option, and here is the E. So here I will paste a HTML code. So just from E, the previous part, I will paste the angle bracket. Here I will type span tag, and after E I will finish the span tag. Okay, in our span tag I will use style wall quotation, and here you will paste the font size. This is the CSS properties. Font size will be 50 pixel. Okay, this is the E is the larger from between between this article. Okay, all right, now we are going to jump this section. Okay, if you want to change this E color, you can do. Here you will just paste in another code, that is color, color equal black is #000. It will be black. Okay, and if you want to change this color, you just go to the if you want to change this whole content, you just click this style and click this color will be black. It will be black. Okay, now let's jump to the on this tab. I just jump to the this counter effect. If I click the refresh, and you will see some effect over here. It will be counting. Okay, now in order to do, you will just type counter. If you want to use this one, also this one, this is the plugin Woolender plugin from, I have already installed Woolender. You don't have Woolender plugin, you don't see this plugin and these options. Okay, you just see this one. I will use it. This is the common, or this is the default one, that's why I will use it. So before I started this part, first of all, you can see, or you have to make sure, here you have to use 3-column structure. So this is the whole section, this is the section, also this is the inner section. So in order to do, you will drag this inner section and drop it over here, and here you will take another one I have already taken, and now I will paste, I will drag the counter, sorry, COUNTER. Okay, so the counter, I will paste it over here, and if you see this here some space, also here is some space. If you don't want this space, you just click this Rubik's cube icon and go to the advanced, and you just remove the padding, all are 0. Okay, it all 0, and now I will design this part. In order to do, you just click this pen icon and go to the style. Here if you want to change the color, and I will use it Pixie, the software of this our local computer. And if you want to install this Pixie, so you just see my YouTube video on how to download this Pixie. This is a color picker. Like if I select this color, I will just Ctrl Alt C, it will already copy to my clip box, and now I will just paste this over here to this text color will be that one already changed. And if I change the text, so just go to the content and ending number will be 75, and this is a plus. If you see, this is the plus option, a plus icon. So if you use this plus icon, you just go to the number of prefix plus icon will be, you just paste the plus, is the 75. If you want to change this text, in order to do, just click you just copy this text, complete project complete, and here it is the title. I will paste the title. Okay, now I will use another one, just copy it and paste it over here. And I don't want to, here is the most tricky part is we don't have use another design for this particular option, particular column. Also, if I paste over here, you don't need to do anything over here. You just change the text. Okay, so here you can copy this review text and paste it over here. Also, if you copy this one and paste it over here, very easy and simple task. Okay, so if you want to change the code 70, the number of this review is the 70, and also if you want to change the active option 80 by 7, and here is the, I will paste it over here. Okay, I do actually 80, 18, and click slash over here. Okay, I will use 82 as a start number, and 7 will be, actually this is not working over here right now. Okay, now it will work. Ending number will be 18 and 7. This is the active. I will copy it and paste it over here. All right, now we have covered this part, and now I will design this button. And actually finally don't forget to add the call to action button. This is the call to action button, is the most important for this about section. So this is the opportunity to guide to visit your tower to your next step, whether you are subscribing to your newsletter, might be exploring your product, or contacting you for more information. Make sure to including clear and a call to action button. I have to create as soon as possible. Okay, we must have to create over here. In order to do, I will drag button option, button widget, and drag and drop it over here under this inner section. Okay, so now I will increase the padding of this button. Let's go to the style and increase the padding very long time. And now I will unclick this link value together. I don't want to use top and bottom, so here I will use it only 20, and bottom will be 20. Okay, now I will increase the text size, and text will be read more. So read more, if I go to the click content section, and here is the text option, it will be read more. And I will, if I increase the text size, you just go to the style and go to the typography will be, I will increase it, and font family will be Poppins. Okay, I will leave it 20 pixel. Okay, now this is the gradient button. So how to make a gradient button? In order to do, you will just click this style option and click normal option, normal button. And when I drop my mouse on this button, it's called hover, it will automatically change the color. Okay, so how you know to do? Just click the, first of all you have to go to the click this option normal, and background type will be gradient. Here is a two type of background type, that's the classic and background gradient. So in order to do, I will copy this color. So first of all, I have to stop the option. In order to do, I will use some tricky option, that is tool, snipping tool. I will first of all, I will copy this button. Here I can copy this code. Sorry for my background noise. And now I will paste it over here, and again I will copy this color and paste it over here. Now I will change the angle. I will decrease this angle. All right, if I click this hover, and now how change the like look like this button, and I will change it like as it is. Okay, here is the button color will be this one, and paste it over here, color, and second one will be this one. I will copy it and paste it over here. Now this is the border color. I'm very sorry. Background type, I don't have that time I didn't select that one. Now I will paste it this one. Okay, I will change the, if I change the angle, okay, now I will place some border radius will be 50%. Okay, so here you got the button. So if you wanna actually, here is some background. As you can see, this is the image of this background. So if you wanna download this image, this is the like SVG image, so you can leave it using some background. So I will copy it and paste it over here, and go to style, and background will be this one. Okay, all right, so we hope you found this tutorial very helpful, and that you are now very okay and with the knowledge to create amazing. And sorry for my lacking English, so please consider my this language. So thank you. I just want to share my knowledge to you, and that's why you can learn from me, and this is my purpose. And so thank you very much.